Okay. Hello, YouTube. Bonjour, YouTube. Mabuhay, YouTube. Hello, my name is Martin Angelis. I'm Filipino-Canadian. I was born in Manila and raised here in Toronto. I studied illustration at OCAD University, and I've spent over 10 years as a creative professional, directing, designing, and animating for some very wonderful clients and studios. I'm making this video, well, because I'm getting older. I turned 32 this year, and since 2020, a lot has happened. I made a pretty significant career pivot, going back to school, moving cities for work. I got married, and I found a lot of joy in friendships, making new ones, reconnecting with old ones. I've traveled more, both on my own and with my wife, Selena, and somewhere along the way, a stronger creative drive has taken hold. And I want to use this platform as a way to document my 30s, a tangible record that I can look back on and really see how much I've grown. Because even at this age, I still think there's a lot of room for me to grow. You know, I've had this YouTube channel for nearly 20 years. I've always known I wanted to use it as a creator. This feels like the right time to really do that. So what do I see for this channel? Honestly, that's part of the fun. Figuring out as I go where or what this looks like. I love old school YouTube. It's an era where creators were figuring things out. Casey Neistat is a big touchstone for me. I love film. I love talking about film, and I've always wanted to be making films. That's a reason why I'm in animation right now. At the end of last year, we got a cat. I play a lot of video games. I love Lego. This past Christmas, my wife got me the Lego Game Boy set. Yeah. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. Feel free to reach out and introduce yourself. I love making new friends. And today we're actually going to be heading out to meet a friend. We're going to go cafe hopping. So yeah, let's go.
Actually, the thing I might buy today, I might buy this. See, this whole table. So it looks like a razor. And then it folds flat. So the idea is like, I'll just put it in the, like you take these off.
That's cool.
And then the burner just goes right there.
here when we were in OCAD.
Yeah. I mean, would I be able to afford it if I was at OCAD though?